All right, let's look at homework 6.2, problem number 3. Right, so we want to find the volume of the solid obtained by rotating the region bounded by these guys about the y-axis. Right, so let's look for the correct region. Right, so we have natural log of 7x. And y equals 1, and y equals 4, and x equals 0. Alright, so x equals 0 is the y-axis. So it looks like this is not the right one. And this guy is not the right one, so it's not even using the x-axis. The y-axis. Alright, so this is not the right one here. This is the right one, so we're using the x equals 0, which is the y-axis. And this guy right here is the natural log of 7x from y equals 1 to y equals 4. So this is the correct one. Alright, then sketch the solid but typical disk. Okay, so you take this region and spin it around about the y-axis, and that's y-axis, right? So y-axis. So you can see that, let's see, this looks promising. Whoops. Alright, this guy looks promising. Let's see, but let's see. And actually, but this is on the outside, so it's probably this guy right here. Alright, so we have that guy. Alright, then we just need to find the volume. Let's find that. Alright, so this is we can use a disk method. So I'm gonna take this picture and copy it over. Alright, so we have this picture. So what we're gonna do is we have to find the radius. So I'm gonna actually evaluate the we want to find it, set up the integral in terms of with respect to y. So we have an integral, and it looks like it goes from 0 to 4, or actually 1 to 4, 1 to 4, right? For each y, right? So a cross section is going to be a circle, which looks like this, right? It's a circular disc, right? And the radius is determined by this guy. So radius is determined by this guy right here, right? But since we're looking for x, so I'm gonna solve this guy for x. So raise e to both sides. So you have a e to the y is equal to e to the natural log of 7x is 7x, right? So divide through by 7, we get e to the y over 7 is equal to x. Right? So this cross-sectional area is pi and r, which is e to the y over 7 squared. Right? So pi is just a number, so I'll put it here. Alright, 7 squared is just a number, 49. Put it here. Alright, then you have e to the y, e to the 2y, right? Because you have to square that. So dy. Right? Then we have pi over 49. Antiderivative of e to the 2y is e to the 2y over 2, right, going from 1 to 4. Right, so this is going to be pi over 98. So I combined 49 and 2 and the pi. Alright, then plug in 4, so you have e to the 8 power minus plugging in 1 e squared. Right. So let's type this in. Alright, so we have pi over 98, And then we have e to the 8th minus e squared. Right? Oops. E to the 8th minus e squared. Alright. Right, that's that. Let's double check. Submit for testing. Alright, it came back and looks like we got all these guys correctly. Alright, that's it. I hope that this was clear.